Metric's 150 technicians use the Destiny Wireless Digital Pen to complete their service reports and AIP forms. Each Metric technician completes their paperwork by hand using a digital pen and ticks send. The pen then sends the form to their mobile phone via Bluetooth, and the mobile forwards it to the office via GPRS. The form can be seen back at the office 30 seconds later. The Destiny system even converts the technician's handwriting to text, which can be uploaded to an existing billing system for immediate invoicing.
Metric's a national provider of multi-trade maintenance services. We operate across the fuel and the property industries. We operate with 160 tradesmen operating in both metropolitan and regional parts of Australia, and our clients range from large corporates to government installations. There's about 600 sites that we service nationally. We just weren't getting good results with the PDAs. What we were finding is that they were very cumbersome to use, and the trade staff weren't typing in good explanations or good details of the work that they were carrying out. And that was putting us at a bit of a disadvantage with our clients who were seeking more information. In addition to that, the PDAs required a lot more capital up front to invest, and the training programs for the use of PDAs was a lot higher. The investment in a digital pen was far superior to the use of a PDA. The cost of rolling out a digital pen was not only far cheaper, but also there was less training involved, less deployment costs, and the technology was immediately available to us. Metric uses the digital pens to capture the service reports from our field staff, straight from the field, work clearance certificates or AIP forms, quotes, site notes and timesheets. All the documents that the service technicians are completing on site now, we're now using the DigiPen to transmit straight back to site within moments of it being completed. The benefits of using the digital pens have exceeded our initial assessments in terms of the value that we'd receive out of the pens. Early on, we anticipated that we'd gain significant benefits just out of the processing of service documents, and we've achieved that. We're now processing documents same day, whereas previously it would often be a week to 2 weeks by the time we captured data from the field staff, particularly that coming from remote locations. It used to take 10 minutes to enter one service report. Now we're able to use the form viewer to edit the data and then post it directly into the ERP system. So when a client rings up with a request or specific information requirements for a particular service call, we're able to look it straight up on the computer system, not have to retrieve paperwork, and we're getting a very detailed response. The use of the digital pen has really meant no real change in the tradesmen's processes. What we've done is just introduce some very simple technology which has produced benefits at the back end rather than had any real impact on our tradesmen. The digital pen has significantly improved our productivity in the back office. The staff are able to focus on the exceptions and correct the problems rather than be bogged down in just processing of transactions. So we're invoicing a lot faster now. We're starting to see the benefits in our cash flow, and we're giving clients good data on the condition of their assets in a time frame that allows them to make quick decisions, and that puts us in a very strong position in terms of getting additional opportunities. The digital pens have produced a lot of benefits to our customers. Firstly, we're able to give them accurate service reporting almost real time now. We're using digital pens in our new business proposals now. The feedback we're getting from these prospective clients is quite positive, and I certainly think that the use of the digital pen and the advantages that it brings to our business and also the ability to be able to report back to clients is certainly something that is proving a real selling point. I would recommend Destiny Wireless to other service providers. Their technology is easily transferable to other service companies. The benefits we're receiving have been almost immediate in terms of the productivity gains that we've got, and their service has been outstanding during the development of the project.